Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And for those just joining us, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Gigi Hadid offers insights into sharing parenting responsibilities with former partner Zayn Malik. Supermodel Gigi Hadid, a prominent figure in the fashion world, recently opened up about her co-parenting journey with Zayn Malik, her former partner and former member of the popular boy band One Direction, as they raised their 4-year-old child, Kai. During a candid conversation with Vogue magazine, Hadid discussed the dynamics of her connection with Malik, the demands of her thriving career, and the realities of shared custody. Their past intertwined deeply before they faced the complexities of sharing parenting responsibilities. The release of Malik's first single, Pillow Talk, in January 2016, along with its provocative music video starring the renowned model, made their palpable romantic connection impossible to overlook. Their romance blossomed over several years, keeping them in the public eye until March 2018, when Malik made the decision to end their relationship. Despite this, their paths continued to cross, their connection fluctuating between periods of togetherness and separation. 2 years later, Hadid surprised everyone by announcing her pregnancy, publicly documenting the experience with Malik by her side. On September 9, 2020, they celebrated the arrival of their daughter, Kai. Their period of happiness was short-lived, as a conflict arose in October 2021 between the singer and Yolanda Hadid, Gigi's parent. This altercation resulted in law enforcement intervention and subsequent legal proceedings. Despite this, it appears everyone has since progressed beyond the event, though it ultimately signaled the termination of their connection. Their relationship has ended, and the model is now linked to actor Bradley Cooper while prioritizing her professional endeavors. Malik, on the other hand, is enjoying his single status, concentrating on his music and recuperating from his recent solo tour in support of his newest album. Despite their separation, both parents remain actively engaged in their daughter's life, frequently sharing glimpses of their individual moments with her. Even though they are no longer together, the two parents remain committed to raising their child together and ensuring a consistent and nurturing environment. The model explained that her daily schedule is meticulously organized months ahead of time to center around her daughter's requirements. She went on to say that while there might be occasional shifts, they support one another and rely on each other for assistance. Convinced their bond has evolved beyond past complications and gossip, she perceives their connection as entering a fresh phase characterized by love and a shared sense of unity. Hadid prioritizes what holds genuine significance for her, steadfastly resisting the influence of external factors on her life. She finalized their discussion on family dynamics with this: "It's difficult navigating the world with so much knowledge, feeling like people think they understand everything, when ultimately, we choose not to share our complete narrative. Our focus is on raising our daughter with mutual respect, not just as co-parents, but as partners who have shared a significant journey. Their goal is to thrive professionally while also fostering a positive co-parenting dynamic for their child's well-being." Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.